guys, good morning. It's Jay here, and today we're going to continue our series about artificial intelligence and how to use that in your insurance agency and in your finance business to be successful as we continue to move and integrate with artificial intelligence into the future. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit today about what machine learning is and how you can best utilize that and understand it so that in the future, as we continue to grow and progress, that you can be a little bit more aware about what that is and how to utilize it. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the basics, which is what is machine learning? Machine learning is auto improvement that a computer puts together based on inputs. And so a really great example of what machine learning would be is actually a car, a Tesla. So a Tesla is actually connected to a central computer, an artificial intelligence computer called Dojo. And what Dojo does is it takes this input from all the different Teslas on the road, and it understands what they have done with braking, with turning to the right, turning to the left, and every time it has a different input, it sends that data back to Dojo, and Dojo is actually calculating that information, and it is predicting what future driving trends will be. And that is how they have full self-driving enablement for these Teslas and for other cars. So the two different types of machine learning would be supervised and unsupervised machine learning. Supervised machine learning is where an output is actually reviewed by a human or the operator of the artificial intelligence to confirm accuracy of the data or to confirm that the information is the correct output. And unsupervised machine learning is going to be a little bit more self-corrective, where the artificial intelligence is going to have to look at the relevant information and then make an objective decision whether or not that was actually what you were looking for and what you were asking for. Now, you will also have reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is going to be connected a little bit more towards unsupervised learning, and that would be where a artificial intelligence continues to try over and over again, and through iterations, it makes a determination whether or not the information that it is outputting is actually accurate. As time progresses, we're going to notice that there is going to be a lot of changes with the robotics industry. Robotics are going to be using machine learning, probably as one of the most prevalent sources of information. It's going to be used unsupervised reinforcement learning through trial and error over and over again. And that's going to teach these humanoid robots how to walk, how to talk, and how to interact in a way that is normal to you and I. And it's not yet normal to artificial intelligence or to these humanoid robots, but as time progresses, it will be. And lastly, I'd like to talk to you guys about overfitting and what that means. You can most commonly see this in like a Notion page when you notice that there is a page that you have that you're talking about relevant data, and that relevant data, when you ask it about something that is irrelevant, it may not give you the output that you're looking for. So for example, if I'm talking about a lot of different types of flowers and then I ask it to write me a paragraph about NASCAR racing, it's not going to know what to do. And that is a perfect example of what they call overfitting. You have trained that artificial intelligence that you're working with to be focused on a specific data set. And when you start asking about other data sets that it's unaware of or it is unprepared to discuss, that's when you're really going to notice that the output isn't going to be what you want if you get an output at all. So just to sum that up, machine learning is an artificial intelligence taking large points of data and condensing it and refining it the way that it operates on a daily basis consistently, based on those inputs and becoming more intelligent. This is what's happening that's causing artificial intelligence to progress so quickly, is that it has machine learning. And when we are all now having access to ChatGPT and we're all putting in inputs, now it's getting so much data that it's learning so quickly. That's why it is progressing so fast at such a rapid rate. Most importantly, as machine learning continues, we will notice that it's going to be affecting the agricultural industry, customer service, the finance and insurance industry, as well as just everyday life. Your phone, Canva, all the different apps that you're using are likely incorporating artificial intelligence, and they are learning what your preferences are. It's going to be really exciting. It's going to be really fun. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video with me. If you don't mind, please hit the like button, drop me a comment, even if it's just something as small as an emoji or what the weather is outside, because it really helps with the engagement. And please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one.